And share with you birthday celebration of our beloved institution, which has completed 90 years. On this occasion, we remember the contribution of great visionary and Gandhian freedom fighter Dr. Patabi Sitaramaiah, who set up this historic bank with the sole purpose of serving millions of small farmers and the poor rural artisan in 1923. At present, we are serving the nation with 3,403 delivery channels. During the current financial year, we have opened another 90 branches, and at the end of this financial year, current year, it is expected that our branches network will be more than 2,000. Bank has been marching ahead, and it has increased its business to more than 2,30,000 crore. During the long 90 years journey, we have seen the rising tides of prosperity and still waters of adversity also. At all these moments, apart from vision of top executives which were there at that moment, they have kept it in high offices. We as a team have remained faithful to the ideals, the human values and the work culture which is imbibed and a unique characteristic of Andhra Bank culture, and true to our legendary founders' shining ideology. That's why we have stood for all these 90 years. All these years we have acquired the stature of a mid-sized bank, crossed several glittering milestones and have grown into a household brand name, and it has a brand name in all the Andhra. And also we are stepping to almost each region of the country with our pan-India presence. But as we have reached to a particular level, we cannot be complacent with it. And we want to break the present orbit and move to the further higher orbit. And I believe that we will be celebrating the next anniversary of the bank in a new sphere, shoulder to shoulder, with being ranked as the big size bank. In our effort at bringing about a major transformation in our system through Nav Shakti, the experience has been excellent. There has been rejuvenation in the process, infrastructure, ambience, and a shift in the human interface with our valued customers. This year we have rolled out new branches at major centers with digitally enabled customer-centric operating model. The feedback has been very positive, resulting in delight banking, ultimately, which is being translated into new business and it will attract new gen customers. Simultaneously, the other significant thrust area has been rejuvenating the human resources through skill building, skill updating, to equip the workforce to meet the customer's expectations and the innovations in the area of new technology in order to compete in the marketplace. Presently, we have now 90 Nav Shakti branches, which will increase to 250 by March 2014. Apart from banking business, we have undertaken many corporate social responsibility and initiatives have been taken, out of which I would like to narrate a few on this occasion. That we have donated 1 crore to Uttarakhand government for rehabilitation and 1 day salary contribution by all the employees of Andhra Bank. Donation to ambulance to USC Hospital IDA Uppal, Hyderabad. Donation to ambulance at Red Cross Society, Odisha State Branch. Donation of rupees 50 lakhs to cyclone hit neighboring state, that is Odisha. Provision of drinking water to Jawans at Wagah border in Amritsar. Provision of solar light to 3 streets, east and west, Godavari and Srikakulam in Andhra Pradesh. donation of purified drinking water facility at 2 Raito Bazaars, donation to Cancer Institute, Adyar, Chennai, donation to Bhagwan Mahavir, Viklang Samiti, Jaipur, provision for supply of water purifier in Mahbub Nagar district, and certain infrastructure facilities in the government schools at various places. Because by doing this noble cause, we want that there has to be hidden blessings by serving such institutions, and our Andhra Bank is growing because of the blessings of all these. All these activities have been possible due to the support and backlog of strong and loyal 30.8 million customers of the bank. They have been our source of inspiration, guidance, and we expect that their patronage will continue. And from the management side, we assure that we will reach up to their expectations with a dedicated force of 20,488 persons of the bank. I thank all the customers, stakeholders for their contribution to the upliftment of the bank. And now let's take this opportunity to rededicate ourselves and renew our commitment to the objective of this historic bank in tune with the nation building agenda and carry our flag of Andhra Bank always at the highest peak. Once again, I thank you all the stakeholders. Thank you very much.